Over the past year, we've partnered with the Sam Houston Memorial Museum and the Republic of Texas Presidential Library to bring history to life. Together, we built a detailed digital replica of the Woodland home, where the first president of the Republic of Texas once lived. Sam Houston was a larger-than-life figure who championed Texas independence, led its early government, and later stood firmly against secession, even when it cost him his governorship. His story is filled with leadership, conviction, and courage. His legacy is well worth exploring. From the start, we focused on making the experience as true to life as possible, right down to the furniture. But since we were building this for mobile and standalone VR, we also had to make it lightweight and accessible. Now, whether on your phone or in a headset, you can explore this historic house from anywhere in the world. This competition challenged us to think beyond simple exploration. We didn't want to just create a cool virtual house. We aimed to make something truly meaningful and impactful. To achieve this, we realized the importance of emphasizing progression and creating shareable moments. The updated Woodland home was designed as a mobile-first game with a clear structure. On the heads-up display, players see 8 empty slots of keys, hinting at 8 locked rooms waiting to be explored. To unlock each door, you'll complete a short history challenge tied to Sam Houston's life. Once a room is open, you'll discover new facts and trivia through images, voiceover clips, and concise text cards. As you explore, you earn XP and earn keys bringing you closer to unlocking the entire house. We also ensured the game is enjoyable for every age group. Younger players can search for puzzle pieces to assemble a portrait of Sam Houston against the clock. Older players can delve into deeper trivia, arranging historical events, completing historical quotes, and answering quiz questions that explore Houston's legacy. We've made it easy to share your achievements. You can snap a photo of your best time and are encouraged to tag the museum's Instagram account when you share it. We strategically created several other photo opportunities, anticipating that the novelty of virtually visiting a historical place will prompt many to want to share their experience. Sharing a screenshot with all 8 collected keys does more than show you're playing a game. It signals your understanding of Texas history. As we've seen with apps like Duolingo, people are often compelled to share when they level up in what they've learned. Looking ahead, we're excited by where this could go. One day, we'd love to see games like this connect directly to school learning platforms, letting students earn real school credit for exploring history in Horizon worlds. For now, we're proud to have created a project that mixes education with exploration, because learning about history should feel like an adventure, not a chore.